Today I want to talk about how you can get better at your piano, and so let's do it. Okay, so the first tip I think is that you must have an outlet. You can't be someone who only just practices and then, that's it. I just want to get good at it. And then you're in a vacuum or in a chamber all by yourself. You have to have an outlet. So for the Christians, we're talking about maybe prayer meeting. You offer yourself to, okay, can I please play this one particular song for the week coming? Or you might be in a youth group and say, every fifth Friday there might be something special, and you say, oh, I want to offer a song on piano. Maybe sing along, maybe someone else can play for you. Okay? If your church is a smaller church, it's very easy because smaller churches always need people to contribute, whereas a bigger church, maybe you need to wait your turn. Okay, so that's the first one. You need an outlet. You need an outlet for your music. Even though you might not be that great at it, you still need to have an outlet to push you along as kind of an accountability. And then another tip I've got would be, you have to ask yourself, what is the smallest meaningful step I can make in my music? Sometimes people say, oh, I want to learn this whole song. And maybe the whole song is actually very, very difficult. So you might ask yourself, well, what's the smallest step? What's the smallest section I can learn? Maybe just the chorus. And oftentimes worship music is just 4 chords repeated. And so you can focus on that. Or you can just learn the bridge, kind of like, in some of my other videos where I only just do a particular section. And that's deliberate so that you don't get overwhelmed. And also you focus on the things that you can work on immediately. So don't look at the 10 different things that people tell you to work on, but just focus on 1 or 2. All right. And another tip I have would be pray. We have such a marvelous privilege to pray to God and know that He'll help us. So if your attitude and your desire is to play for Jesus and to honor Him and worship Him, I think He can honor that and help you in your learning. There are times when I have a bad day or a bad attitude and I pray just for some minutes, and then I find myself lifted off of burdens and I can get on with learning piano or learning guitar. So please be praying. Pray beforehand, pray after, pray during your playing, and spend time in worshiping as well, using whatever chords you've got. And I think that's going to be good.